So yes, analogy is the easiest topic, and they will ask few questions, minimum 3 to 4 questions from the analogy. Analogy means similarly, nothing else but similarly. How we will use it? Wait. So how we will relate? For example, there will be a sign of analogy. How 2 is related to 8. Similarly, that is the analogy sign. Also means similarly. 3 will be related to what? Can we answer it? Question is quite easy. 2 is related to 8. How? Similarly, 3 will be related to what?
27.
Very good. How we get this? Because it is the cube of 2 and this is the cube of 3. So what is the relation between these two is cube. Right? Similarly, we have to follow over here. This is just the sign of similarly, or we can say analogy. Is it clear to everyone? Now, we will take few examples of analogy. Analogy can be of different types. Word पे भी base हो सकती है बेटा, and any type. For example, I will say M is related to N, similar, and OP. Similarly, QR will be related to what? Please try.
ST.
Very good. देखो, how we are getting it? MN, NO, OP. So yes, QR. R के बाद में क्या आता है बेटा? S. S के बाद में next क्या आता है? T. That's the easiest way. Now, word base कैसे आती है? Here is related to, here is related to bro. BURROW. In the same way, owl is related to what? Similarly, owl is related to what? If you know the relation, then you can easily get the answer. What will be the answer? How here is related to burrow? Anybody? Hare lives in burrow. Owl lives in where? Yes, barn. Living place है बेटा. Is it clear? These two types. First is number based. This is coding decoding that we will discuss in the later classes. This is the based on GK or general knowledge, you can say. Is it clear? We will take few more examples of the same. Okay, बेटा बताते हैं. What does hair means? Google करना बेटा एक बच्चा. Hair means क्या होता है बेटा? और burrow मतलब क्या होता है? PURROW.
सर रैबिट होता है ना यार.
ये वाला ये वाला. Hair means rabbit.
यस सर.
Rabbit कहाँ रहते हैं बेटा? Dwelling place क्या है? Rabbit का dwelling place ये है, तो owl का क्या होता है? Barn होता है बेटा. BARN. And don't worry, I will share a PDF that will cover all these things, how they are related. If you want to note it down, just note it and do let me know if you have done noting. Just type कर दिया करो बेटा yes or no, y or n. If you want me to repeat, R enter. If you have done noting, D enter बेटा. Very good. Let's try with the other examples. चलिए एक और बेस जी के बेस करते हैं। कोंकणी क्या है बेटा? Related to Goa. In the same way, similarly, Dogri is related to what? What is Konkani, beta? That we all
Sir,
must
I
know.
think it's
सबको पता होना चाहिए बेटा कोंकणी क्या है। बेसिक है, बिल्कुल बेसिक है। इज इट अ डांस?
sir, it's the language.
ओके, डांस हो सकता है, लैंग्वेज हो सकती है। यस, लैंग्वेज ऑफ गोवा। कोंकणी इज अ लैंग्वेज ऑफ गोवा। सो डोगरी इज द लैंग्वेज ऑफ विच स्टेट? जम्मू एंड कश्मीर बेटा। नेक्स्ट देखना बेटा, पिच इज रिलेटेड टू क्रिकेट। सिमिलरली arena is related to what? ट्राई करो बेटा। Pitch is related to cricket. So in the same way, similarly, arena is related to what? क्रिकेट कहाँ प्ले किया जाता है बेटा? पिच पे। सिमिलरली अरीना किस में होता है? नहीं पता बेटा, कोई बात नहीं, रेसलिंग में यूज होता है बेटा। रेसलिंग कहाँ होती है? एरिना में होती है बेटा। इज इट क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, sir.
जस्ट टाइप कर दिया करो वाई एंटर, सो इट विल बी इजी। चलिए बेटा, लेट्स ट्राई फ्यू मोर। These are few basic that is based on the GK that we must know. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं बेटा। नेक्स्ट वाला बहुत इजी है। डॉक्टर पेशेंट से कैसे रिलेटेड होता है? Similarly, lawyer is related to what? We will have four options. First, customer. In the exam, we will have four options. Customer. Second, criminal. Third, magistrate. Fourth option is client. बताइए बेटा. Now it will be easy.
Client. Client.
Very good. Client भी हो सकता है, बिल्कुल.
अभी लिंक
Correct है
भेजा
बेटा.
है। फोटो कैसे लगाई? लग सकती है। कैसे?
बेटा
वो
प्लीज
आईडी
भूमि म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
अरे अली
Okay. Now, yes, client is correct answer. Is it a little bit more clear now?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. चलिए
Yes, sir.
थोड़े छोटे नंबर्स वाले क्वेश्चंस और करते हैं. यू विल हैव फोर ऑप्शंस, आउट ऑफ दीज वन
सर
विल बी करेक्ट.
क्रिमिनल्स क्यों नहीं हो सकता है?
क्योंकि जज डिसाइड करता है वो क्रिमिनल है कि नहीं है. लॉयर का तो कस्टमर होता है, क्रिमिनल थोड़ी ना होता है. क्लियरिटी आई थोड़ी सी बेटा? लॉयर क्या
यस
होता है? लॉयर के क्लाइंट्स होते हैं बेटा, वो क्रिमिनल भी हो सकते हैं और नहीं भी हो सकते. क्रिमिनल है या नहीं है क्लाइंट, ये कौन जज डिसाइड करेगा ना बेटा, इसलिए नहीं हो सकता।
ओके, थैंक यू।
वेलकम बेटा। जो भी डाउट आए डोंट हेजिटेट व्हाइल आस्किंग। चलिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, अभी ऑप्शन बेस्ड होंगे बेटा। Similarly, 20 is related to 11. Similarly, 102 is related to what? ये किससे रिलेटेड है 102? ट्राई करो। सेकंड ऑप्शन दे देते हैं बेटा इसमें, 49, 52, 61 and 98. Question number 2, 14 is related to 9. There might be plus, minus, divide, plus anything. 26 is related to what? Yes, Harshini, don't worry. I will try to explain everything in the English also. We have to find out the relation between two, and then similarly will be followed by the next two. In the case 20 is related to 11, how? It may be minus 9. Next may, can we apply the same? Do we have an option? We have to look for that.
No, sir.
Next may 12, 15, 13 and 31. All these questions are quite easy, so that you can have a little bit knowledge. You have the options as 16, 32, 400 and 336. Now try to solve these three questions. Ria, don't worry, if you just join us, you will not miss anything. We are just trying to find a relation. Analogy is the easiest way. How 20 is related to 11. In the similar way, 102 will be related to which of these following? It may be minus 9. It may be anything. Divide by 2 plus 1. Yes, that is also possible if applied. In this case, we have to find out the relation. Again, if we have got these numbers, how they are related, similarly, we have to find out the answer. This means similarly, means analogy. Riya beta, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you have done, do let me know. D enter. If you're still trying, T enter beta. Okay, we will try to solve the first one. I think it is divide by 2 and plus 1, 11. Divide by 2 plus 1 will be what? That is 52. Is it clear? 102 will be divided by 2, that will be 51 plus 1. Similarly, here, divide by 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Is it clear to everyone? Next try करते हैं बेटा. 14 is related to 9. How? If you are still trying to let me know बेटा. क्या बेटा?
The 14 divided by 2 plus 14 divided by 2 plus 2.
हाँ, that is also possible. बिल्कुल बेटा, keep trying if you are trying.
So the
Second one is
Yes.
for the second one,
The 14 we have, 14 is, if I will divide it by 2, we will get 7. Now 7 plus 2, we will get 9. Now we have to try again. 26 divided by 2, that will be 13. 13 plus 2. Do we have an answer as 15? Yes. So that is the correct answer. Next try karo beta. All the questions are quite easy.
16.
Very good. Reason?
Square of 4.
Very good. Anybody else? Try karo beta. We have to look for a solid reason. If your answer is correct, then it will be good. 16 answer नहीं है, पहले ये समझ लो बेटा. 16 is not the right answer. Try again. What could be the right answer? Now we have three options: 32, 400, 336. What will be the correct answer? The logic behind this question is a little bit different from the others. That's why we have
336.
to say. Huh?
336.
16 is not the answer. Now try.
Sir,
What's the logic?
336.
How? Logic.
Sir, 400.
Logic. I'm asking about the logic. What's the logic? You are saying 16. First explain this one. We have to look for a reason. In the reasoning, we always look for the reason, nothing else. How we will solve? Let's try. Very good. एक स्टूडेंट ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया है, देखते हैं कौन सा. बेटा 64 is square of 8. 144 12 का स्क्वायर है. And 256 is a square of which number बेटा? किसका स्क्वायर है बेटा?
16.
256.
16.
16 का स्क्वायर है, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप कैसे जाएंगे बेटा? ये स्क्वायर हो रहा है, नेक्स्ट नंबर का स्क्वायर हो रहा है, बट हाउ मच दे आर इंक्रीजिंग? 8 प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर किया है. नाउ दिस इज 16. नेक्स्ट वाले में कितना होना चाहिए? 16 प्लस 4 का होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज 20 का स्क्वायर. सो आंसर विल बी 400. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन इन द क्लास?
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल बेटा, दोबारा देखते हैं. ये 8 का स्क्वायर है. दिस इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 12, राइट. 16 का स्क्वायर है. नेक्स्ट पूछा है व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, राइट. हमें इतना पता है, वी ऑलरेडी नो द स्क्वायर्स. नाउ 8 से 14 में जाने के लिए हाउ मच वी हैव टू ऐड? दिस इज ऑलरेडी 8 का स्क्वायर. नाउ 8 प्लस 4 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा? दैट इज 12. इज इट क्लियर बेटा? नाउ 16 है. नेक्स्ट कौन सा नंबर होगा? हाउ मच वी हैव टू ऐड? वी विल ऐड द सेम अमाउंट, 16 plus 4. Is it clear to everyone beta in the class? 20 का square will be 400. That's the correct answer. If it is not clear, don't hesitate and enter. Is it clear to everyone now? Very good beta. चलिए, let us try to solve few more questions. Practice होगी बेटा, तभी हम इन क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. A little bit more practice will be good. Let's try. Next question. Okay, they will be quite easy. So try. Great is related to 25 in the same way. Number will be related to what? numbers will be related to what?
49.
Very good. That could be the right answer. We have the options. हाँ, option देने की जरूरत नहीं, इसमें easy हो जाएगा बेटा. This one is quite easy. Let's try one more. 6, 5, 2, 4 is related to 6, 4, 6, 5. The same way, 9, 6, 3, 8 will be related to what? Try these two. I will give you the options also. Third option, 9, 7, 3, 6. Fourth option will be 9, 5, 7. Try to solve these two. Both the questions are quite easy. Don't worry.
Nine five seven nine.
Yes, that could be the right answer. Please try to solve, everyone. Very good, Herein. All the questions are quite easy. Great. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the 5 ka square. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ka square is what? 49. Numbers count karo. How many alphabets are there? 5. So 5 ka square. 7. So 7 ka square. Is it clear? Solution is clear. Question number 4 ka solution is quite easy. How many alphabets are there? Square them. Very good. Next try karte hain. 6, 5, 2, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5. What's the relation between these two? Similarly, we will apply in the second. How to get the answer of question number 5? Okay, if you didn't get any square, cube, any relation, so what we have to do is subtract these numbers. What will be the difference between these two? I think that is 59. So now, if I will subtract 59 from this, we will get this. Now, to get the answer, we have to subtract 59 from this, and we will get the answer. The solution is clear to everyone. If it is not clear, and enter, and don't hesitate, beta.
Sir, please repeat.
Is it clear?
No, sir, please repeat.
If it is not clear, and enter. Very good, beta. Bilkul, I will repeat again both the solutions, so don't worry. How many numbers or alphabets are there? There are 5 alphabets. That's why we have done 5 ka square. That is 25. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many letters or alphabets are there? 7. So 7 ka square will be the answer. Now, in this case, we didn't see any square or cube of these numbers. किसी number का square और cube नहीं use हुआ है. So, what we can try, we will be trying to subtract these two. If we get 59 is the difference, so to get the answer, we can directly subtract 59 from this number because the difference between these two is 59. If we have the option, then that's the correct answer. Is it a little bit more clear, beta?
Thank you, sir.
Vaishnavi, beta? Very good. We will try to explain everything. If you didn't understand, don't hesitate. Just do let me know. Okay, let us try. Next. Okay, एक छोटा सा समझते हैं बेटा. Sweden is related to Stockholm. Similarly, Australia related to what? Right? They are based on the GK. I will give you the option also. Paris, London, Sydney, Canberra. Question number 7. Whale related to mammal. Similarly, snake is related to what? Next, bird, mammal,
Sweden.
reptile, insect.
Reptile.
Very good. King related to throne. Similarly, judge is related to what? Lawyer, court, bench, trial. Try करो बेटा. All these three are quite easy.
सर फर्स्ट वाले का ऑप्शन 4th होगा.
हो सकता है बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं हो सकता. सारे बच्चे ये कह रहे 4th होगा. What's the relation between Sweden and Stockholm, बेटा? Relation क्या है?
कैपिटल सर कैपिटल.
Very good, very good. Stockholm is the capital of Sweden, so Canberra is the capital of Australia. Whale mammal है, what does it mean? Whale belongs to the class of the mammal. Snake किससे belong करते हैं बेटा? किस class के होते हैं?
reptile.
Very good, reptile. King is related to throne. In the similar way, judge is related to what?
Court.
Very good. किससे related है? Court से.
Court.
अच्छा. I think that is wrong.
bench,
Sir,
हाँ.
I think lawyer.
नहीं, बेंच होता है
bench,
बेटा. किंग थ्रोन से कैसे रिलेटेड है
Okay.
वो समझो. If you will get it, you will be answering correct.
he sits on a throne, a judge sits on a
King
bench.
is related to, ध्यान देना बेटा, इस केस में sometime they always जंबल कर देते हैं. यहाँ पर एक्चुअली में किंग का जज की तरह बिहेव करना समझ में आता है. थ्रोन का बेंच से रिलेशन है, डायरेक्ट रिलेशन नहीं है. जज का अगर आप वैसे देखो तो कोर्ट में बैठता है वो, लेकिन किंग थ्रोन के ऊपर बैठता है. ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है. जज कहाँ बैठता है? चेयर पे बैठता है. चेयर के अलावा और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो बेंच ही हो सकता है करेक्ट आंसर. या फिर इन्होंने ऐसे रिलेट किया है, किंग एक जज की तरह बिहेव करता है, थ्रोन किस तरह बिहेव करता है? एक बेंच की तरह. ये दो तरीके हैं, लेकिन दोनों से यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर एज बेंच. एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन करता हूं बेटा. ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी वाला है. इसमें क्या करा, दे हैव ट्रिक्ड इट. हाउ? एक्चुअली व्हाट्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन किंग एंड थ्रोन?
He sits on a throne,
ओके. जज किस पे बैठेगा देन? जज सिट्स ऑन
a bench.
हिज चेयर. चेयर और बेंच. In the court, yes. In the court is correct, but king sits on the. So judge sits on the bench. Is it a little bit more clear?
Yes, sir.
If it is not clear, N enter beta. And don't hesitate while asking questions. Very good. It's clear. Good. दो क्वेश्चन और करते हैं बेटा, थोड़े इंटरेस्टिंग. Okay, try to get the answer of this one. 01 is related to 36. Similarly, 2 is related to what? 2 is related to what? Options we have is 69, 49, 70 and 81. These are the four options. Eight is related to 28. In the same way, similarly, 15 is related to what? Options we have is 63, 65, 124, 125. Try to solve these two. A little bit calculation is there. This type of questions now they are asking in your examination. I'm talking about the question number 9. That is important. We have to understand the logic behind this. Otherwise, it will be a little bit more hard to solve. Yes, that could be the right answer, Ruchi.
Sir, 81.
Reason?
Sir, 36 is the square of 6
Huh.
and 81 is the square of 9.
Is there any other square also?
7 का square भी है 49.
So that is not the reason actually.
Okay.
We have to look for a unique reason that is applicable. Try again, beta. Keep trying, don't worry. I will explain. If you are still trying, T enter, so it will be clear. I will give you 2 more minutes to try. Okay, keep trying, beta. We have to look for a reason. How 1 is related to
49.
36. Similarly, 2 will be related to what? Yes, beta. What you are saying, Pari?
49.
What's your answer, Pari?
49.
Oh, very good. That could be the right answer. Reason?
Sir, 1 plus 5. 6. 6 का square 36. 2 plus
Very
5.
good, very good. That is
7.
correct. Correct, beta.
7 का square 49.
Very good. So, beta, it's quite easy. We have to look from a different perspective, nothing else. थोड़ा अलग सोचना पड़ेगा, nothing else. 1 में we have to add 5. Then square it. It is, we are adding from our side because we know 36 is square of 6. Now, again 2 में भी add करेंगे same number 5 and square the sum, that is 7. 7 का square is 49. Is it clear to everyone? If it is not, don't worry. दोबारा explain करते हैं. 1 is related to 36. Similarly, 2 is related to what? That's the question. Now, 1 is not directly related to 36. But we know if we will add 5, then square, that is the relation. Now, we have to look for the answer also. 81 could be the answer if we have satisfied this equation also. Now, 2 may, 2 we have, 5 we have added over here. Again, we will add 5. Now, square the sum of these two numbers. That is 7 ka square. That will be the answer now, 49. Is it clear to everyone now? If it is clear, why enter? If it is not clear, don't hesitate and enter. I will explain it again. If this one is clear, try to solve the next one. 8 is related to 28. Similarly, 15 will be related to what? This one is also little bit tricky one. Question number 10 is a tricky question, not too hard.
65.
Very good. That could be the right answer. थोड़ी देर में पूछते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन. बाकी बच्चे ट्राई करो बेटा. We always look for the reason. That is the reasoning. All the questions have a different mindset and different thinking, nothing else. We have to think a little bit different from all these questions. Question number 10 is a little bit different from these. If you will add, you will not get the answer. 8 plus 20, that is 28, but 15 plus 20 is nothing, 35. Did not we have option. So think different. Multiply by 3 plus 1 something is not giving you the answer. Now think again. The logic behind this question is a little bit out of the box. If you're still trying, beta, T enter. So I will give you all 2 more minutes so that you can try your own. Okay, keep trying, beta. वेरी गुड चारू, 4 स्क्वायर प्लस 1, बट 8 में कैसे रिलेट करोगे? Eight is related to 28 also, ना?
Sir, 3 square minus 1.
3 स्क्वायर माइनस 1,
8 का
8 का। ओके, रुक जाओ, लिखते हैं बेटा, देखते हैं बेटा क्या कह रहा है। 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 1। नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट क्या सोचा बेटा?
3 square plus 1.
किसका? इसका थ्री
No, sir,
क्यूब प्लस 1
28.
होगा।
Sorry, हाँ.
ओके, नेक्स्ट
4
15।
square minus 1
हाँ, 4 क्यूब प्लस 1,
plus 1.
दैट इज करेक्ट आंसर। इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 मतलब 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कर दिया, 8 आ गया। नाउ नेक्स्ट में 3 का ही क्यूब करके प्लस 1 करा है। सिमिलरली फॉलो करेंगे, 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1। नाउ 4 का क्यूब प्लस 1 विल बी द आंसर। Is it clear to everyone in the class? If it is not clear and enter, I will explain it again. Very good. If it is clear, okay, beta, I will explain it again. Don't worry. Okay, beta, we have to find out how these are related. So for that, 8, 28. Next, we will try 15 is related to next what? We have to find out. Now, 8 is related to, wow, 3 ka square minus 1. 3 ka square is nothing but 9 minus 1, that is 8. Now, 3 का क्यूब प्लस 1 means 27 plus 1, 28. Now, next में that is the 4 का square minus 1 means 16 minus 1, that is 15. Now, next में यहाँ स्क्वायर हुआ था, similarly 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1, यहाँ 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1, 4 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1। नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या होना चाहिए? 4 का क्यूब प्लस 1। 3 का क्यूब प्लस 1 किया था, सिमिलरली 4 का क्यूब प्लस 1। 4 का क्यूब इज व्हाट? 64 plus 1, that is 65. Is it a little bit more clear? Very good. Next थोड़े tricky वाले क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा। Give me a minute. ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करते चलिए। चलिए बेटा, एक छोटा सा इजी सा क्वेश्चन है। रूबी इज रिलेटेड टू रेड, सिमिलरली sapphire is related to what?
yellow,
Options we have blue, white, green, silver.
blue, blue,
ट्राई करो अभी बेटा। Flower butterfly is related. Similarly, dirt is related to what? dirt is related to what? Options are rats, fly, bugs, sweeper. Question number 13. Eye is related to myopia. Teeth is related to what? Options we have contract, cataract, glaucoma, eczema. What are the answers? Fine. Ruby is red, sapphire is blue. That is correct. Flower, butterfly, dirt is related to what? बताइए बेटा. Flower, butterfly में what's the relation? Very good. आई में डिजीज होती है उसे मैपियो कहते हैं, तो टीथ में डिजीज को क्या कहते हैं? वेरी गुड, करेक्ट है बेटा. फ्लावर और बटरफ्लाई, डर्ट, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? इसमें थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट है, बताइए बेटा. व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? फ्लावर इज रिलेटेड टू बटरफ्लाई. यस. ओके. फ्लावर को अट्रैक्ट करती है बटरफ्लाई, आई थिंक.
Sir, is the answer fly?
Yes. Flower always attracts butterfly. Dirt always attracted by fly. First used to attract the second. Flower कहाँ attract होते हैं? बटरफ्लाई में नहीं. बटरफ्लाई कहाँ अट्रैक्ट हो जाती है? फ्लावर पे. सिमिलरली डर्ट कहाँ अट्रैक्ट होगी? दैट इज फ्लाई. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ऑल दीज थ्री? इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर, क्वेश्चन नंबर बताना बेटा. 11, 12 और 13 आई विल एक्सप्लेन. आई में डिजीज होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड माइपिया. टीथ में डिजीज होती है, उसे पायरिया बोलते हैं बेटा. डिजीज रिलेटेड है. If any of these three is not clear, just type the number 11, 12 or 13, enter. Very good. Now, few more. कुछ अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करते हैं बेटा. Just give me a minute. चलिए बेटा 2 क्वेश्चन और करते हैं. I will give you 3 more questions so that you can try to solve. Question number 14. Yawns. Skin. Similarly, thrush is related to what? Options we have legs, eyes, belly, and throat. Question number 15. Roaster is related to duty. Similarly, inventory is related to what? We have the options furnace, exports, goods, produce. Question number 16. Dum Dum related to Kolkata, similarly, Palam is related to what? Kerala, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. Now try to solve these 3 questions based on your a little bit GK. प्रैक्टिस के लिए शीट आपको मिल जाएगी बेटा just after the class that will have a lot of knowledge that they might ask based on analogy, and a sheet of the questions, at least 50 to 70 questions will be there. Question number 14 ka, what's the answer? First, second, third, fourth. Legs, eyes, belly, throat.
So throat.
Very good. Reason?
So it is related to disease.
Very good. Is it clear to everyone? If it is not clear, and enter beta. Okay. The first disease of the second. स्किन की डिजीज है, थ्रस्ट किसकी डिजीज है बेटा? थ्रोट की है. सिमिलरली देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रोस्टर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ ड्यूटीज एंड इन्वेंटरी इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ
Goods.
goods. Very good. Now Dum Dum is related to Kolkata. What does it mean? How they are related? What's the relation? Dum Dum क्या है बेटा?
15th question once again.
परी बेटा क्या बोला?
Can you please explain 15th question once again? Actually, my network.
Okay, no issue. देखो बेटा रोस्टर क्या होता है बेटा? रोस्टर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ ड्यूटीज एंड इन्वेंट्री इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ गुड्स. रोस्टर इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ ड्यूटीज. नाउ इन्वेंट्री इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ गुड्स. Now, Dum Dum is related to Kolkata. How? Dum Dum is a airport at Kolkata. Palam is a airport at कहाँ
Delhi.
बेटा?
दिल्ली.
Very good, very good. Delhi. All these three questions are clear to everyone. Very good. Let's try. This one is a little bit interesting. Pig is related to, इसका आंसर बताना. Pig is related to Pharaoh. Pharaoh. Similarly, dog is related to what? Try करो. Pharaoh होता है क्या? What does it mean, Pharaoh? We know that we can answer it. And almost everybody knows the answer. That's why there is no option.
So is it related to something that they excrete?
Maybe. Very good, Harini. That might be correct answer. Pig and Pharaoh में what does it mean? Pharaoh का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा?
So Pharaoh means piglets.
सर उनके
Young ones.
हाँ. Pig young होगा तो क्या बोलते हैं? Pharaoh. Dog छोटा होता है तो क्या बोलते हैं बेटा उसको?
पपी.
Very good, puppy. That's the correct answer. सबको पता था. चलिए एक और बताएगा. बहुत इजी चीजें हैं. थोड़ा सा कुछ चीजें हैं जो सीखनी है. लाइन इज रिलेटेड टू स्क्वायर. Similarly, arc is related to what?
Circle.
Circle, sphere, ball, ring. चार ऑप्शंस हैं.
Circle.
रीजन?
A line is a line is a part of a square and arc is a part of a circle.
Line could be a part of a triangle also. Yes, वैसे वो भी ठीक है. लाइन जो है क्लोज शेप अगर दे दे तो स्क्वायर हो जाएगी. आर्क को, ये आर्क है बेटा. इफ आई वी विल क्लोज दिस वन, इट विल बी अ सर्कल. लाइन में बेटा दो चीजें और हो सकती है पॉसिबल. ट्राइंगल भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है, बट यहाँ लिखा नहीं है. यहाँ लिखा जा सकता है, इसलिए बताया. लाइन की क्लोज शेप्स में आता है ये. स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, ट्राइंगल भी हो सकता है, पिरामिड भी हो सकता है. सो आर्क की क्लोज शेप उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें डिजाइन करनी है. इज इट क्लियर? If it is
Yes.
not clear, and enter beta. Very good. चलिए अब नेक्स्ट टाइप क्वेश्चंस करते हैं थोड़े से. तो ये थोड़ी सी अल्फाबेट्स यानी कि कोडिंग डिकोडिंग यूज होगी बेटा. आई विल एक्सप्लेन वन बाय वन. ओके, एक सिंपल सा देते हैं. ये थे जीके वाले जनरल नॉलेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनालॉजी. Now try to get the answer. I will explain how EGIK is related to LJLJHF. Similarly, SUWY is related to what? इसमें करते कैसे हैं, आई विल एक्सप्लेन. फर्स्ट यू जस्ट ट्राई. And with the question, I will try to explain the coding decoding as well. Next topic of the class will be coding decoding. So don't worry, this will be more clear.
ZXVT.
Yes, that could be the right answer. Yes, that we have an option. Options, बिल्कुल बेटा options भी देते हैं. TVXZ MOQS LNPR ZXVT. These are the 4 options. Very good. If you are getting the answer as ZXVT, that might be great. If you are still trying to solve it, T enter, so I will give you 2 more minutes. Try. Okay, let us discuss the solution. First, I will explain few more things. देखते हैं बेटा ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाए तो. EFGHIJK EFGHIJK डायरेक्ट हो गया. L MNOPQRSTUVWXYZ, ये तो बहुत दूर जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट कैसे बन सकता है बेटा बताओ. हाउ टू सॉल्व इट.
अपोजिट साइड से.
वेरी गुड. अपोजिट कौन कौन से हैं. अपोजिट के लिए एक ट्रिक बताते हैं. इट विल बी इजी टू रिमेंबर. ऐसे it might be easy or hard. L J H F E F K L G H I J. Similarly, S T Y Z W X U के बाद में क्या आता है बेटा. V. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If you are noting it down, just note it. Next, I will explain how we use coding decoding in the analogy. But before that, don't worry, coding decoding की next class में फिर से इसी चीज को explain करूंगा. देखो बेटा, first we have to remember 2 more things. If you have done noting, de-enter beta. So I will rub it. Then we will try to. Very good. Learn few more new things. In the coding decoding, we have to remember two things. These are the opposite alphabets. A is opposite to Z, B, Y, C, X, D, W, E, V, F, U, G, T, and we have to remember them. How we will remember them? That is the easiest part. आजाद नाम का क्या था बेटा? बॉय था, क्रैक्स खाता था, who eat cracks, drinks dew, and he fall in love. L O V E. L का O है बेटा, V का E है. Then he learned क्या? कुंग फू. कू का कोई मतलब नहीं है, कू. F का U अपोजिट है, that's why. कुंग फू. आजाद नाम का बॉय था, who there is a boy named Azad, बॉय था, and who eats cracks, drinks dew, he fall in love, then he learned kung fu. One day he was traveling on GT route. G का opposite is T, GT road. He met Honey Singh. He met Honey Singh. Then he and Honey Singh went to Indian Railway, where they met the Jungle Queen, and they three, Azad, Honey Singh, and Jungle Queen, watch a movie that is PK. Now, boy became man. Now, you can change according to you also. GT road could be great. Kung Fu could be fuel. And Honey Singh could be high school. And you can make your own story. Indian Railway could be Inter. And Jungle Queen could be Jaguar. And PK could be Kurta Pajama. And story, you can make your own. That's how we can remember the opposite alphabets. Just note it down. आजाद नाम का बॉय था, who eats cracks, drinks stew. He fall in love and he was in the Jaguar and tanky fuel क्या करा उसने? Full करा. He was thinking he is great. He went to high school, and then this could be inter. Now he went for anything job or anything. He went with the kurta pajama, and you can make story. Is it clear? If anything is not clear, do let me know. Just note it down. It is important that we have to remember all the opposite alphabet. Rohan beta, where you are facing any problem, so do let me know. So it's quite easy. There is a boy named Azad who eats cracks, drinks stew. He fall in love. He was in the Jaguar and tank was full. He was thinking he is great. He was in the high school, and then he went for the inter. Then after that, he got married and he wear the kurta pajama, and now boy after marriage became the man. The car was Jaguar. I think it's clear to everyone. Just note it down and do let me know if you have done noting the enter. Very good, beta. If you are still noting it down, W enter. सबने done कर लिया बेटा. If you are still noting it down, W enter. So I will give you 1 more minute. Next step जो आता है coding decoding का, वो आता है. We have to remember the numbers also. If I will give A as 1, B 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. We have to remember them also. How? I will tell you. Now we have to remember all these numbers. How? That's the easiest part. I will explain. Now we have to remember all these. So how we will remember? EJOTY. EJOT. That is the table of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Already T20 याद रहेगा because IPL में कितने होते हैं बेटा? IPL क्या चल रहा है बेटा? T20. 2020 का क्रेज ज्यादा है. T20. So that's how you can remember T20. Now EJOTY. EJOT is a table of 5. Now we will explain from this 6. A, B, C, D we can easily remember, right? F. There are two different ways. First is, if I will close this one, it is looking like 6 or mirror image of 6. Yes, that is 6. Next way to remember, fix है, क्या होगा बेटा? 6 होगा. फिक्स है, नेक्स्ट बॉल पे क्या होगा बेटा? 6 होगा. फिक्स 6, फिक्स 6. ऐसे हमें F की पोजीशन याद रहेगी. F is at 6. Now G. F हो गया बेटा P. P is also looking like 6, but it is 16. We didn't have to close, so it is 16. Or you can also remember it by Prince की एज कितनी है बेटा? Prince is a boy whose age is 16 and Queen की एज कितनी है बेटा? 17. Prince 16, Queen 17. Now F हो गया. G. G always shows its original position as 7. Right? Next try करते हैं. Or you can also search for G7. G7 nations are there. You have to also remember the names because they might ask. H. If I will close this one and this one, it is looking like 8. Yes. Its position is 8. H, we have to close the upper and lower side. So it will be looking like 8. Yes. Its position is 8. I. Small I में, I will write this one. So yes. If I will put this over here, so it is 9. Another way, I know. I know. I know. I कितने बड़ा बेटा? 9 पे. I know. I know. I know. Next. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में 10 to 11 फायर्स आर वेरी यूजुअल. जम्मू कश्मीर में रोज 10 से 11 गोलियां चल जाती हैं. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से याद रखें. J&K. यहाँ पे भी आ रहा है ऑलरेडी. J&K से भी याद हो सकता है. नॉर्मल फायर. J&K में it is normal to have 10 to 11 fire on daily basis. Now J हो गया बेटा. K. K is quite unique. If you will look these 211, if I will bend this line, it will be looking like K. So these are the two straight line. I have bended the second line. Now it is K. Another method is Kings 11 Punjab. Kings 11 Punjab. K का कितना है बेटा? 11. K 11. Kings 11 Punjab. Next M. देखो बेटा 3 जैसा है. If it is downward, it is 13. If it is upward, that is 23. Till now, is it clear? Just note it down.
Sir, please explain for H again.
P,
Sir, for H.
H. प्रिंस कितनी एज का है? 16. या फिर P is also looking like 6 but it is 16. प्रिंस कितने का? 16 का. H, if I will close upper side and lower side of the H, then it will be looking like 8.
Okay, sir.
Is it a little bit more clear to everyone? Worksheet, I think that will be provided in the Telegram group or WhatsApp group. That will be arranged. Don't worry. You will get to know. M and W. M is always looking like 3, but if it is downward, it is 13. If it is upward, that is 23. Is it clear? M and W, beta. M is always looking like 3.
Yes, sir.
Very good. If it is downward, it is 13. If it is upward, then it is 23. There is another way to remember. तेरा मेरा नहीं करते बेटा, तेरा मेरा नहीं करते. सिंपल सिंपल हो जाएगा ऐसा, और अच्छे से याद कर सकते हैं इजीली. मतलब फन वे में इजीली याद करने के तरीके हैं बेटा. तेरा मेरा नहीं करते मीन्स तेरा 13M and W is also same, it is 23. Just note it down and do let me know if you all have done noting. Then I will rough it. We will explain the rest of the alphabets. I'm just waiting. Don't worry, beta. Just note it down because it is important to remember. So don't worry. If you all have done D enter, if you are still noting W enter, so I will give you 1 more minute. Okay, very good. If you have done noting, now these are remaining one. PQ हो चुका है. Prince 16 years, Queen 17 years, T20, Kings 11 Punjab. Now एक ध्यान देना बेटा. ORS कितने? 15 to 18 years. जब बड़े को दे सकते हैं बेटा, हम सिर्फ एक तरीका बनाना जिससे हाउ टू रिमेंबर. ORS we can provide from 15 to 18 years old children. 15 or 18. Its position is 15 to 18. ORS. S is just there. 15 to 18. ORS we can provide for 15 to 18 years old children. Next. OR हो चुका बेटा, S हो गया. T20 आपको इजीली याद रहेगा. V. If I will write small u, that is small u, its position is also there. 2 and 1. 21. Small u लिखो बेटा, there is the position 21. V. 22. V2 R2. V2 R2. 22. Next. W हो चुका है. M13, W23. Now, X. Nobody talks with his or her X for 24 hours. That's how we can easily remember with a funny way. अपनी एक्स से कोई भी 24 आवर्स बात नहीं करता, सिंपल वे में इजीली यू कैन रिमेंबर इट. एक्स 24, वाई इजोटी से याद रहेगा, जेड को सबको ही याद है 26. टिल नाउ इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? जस्ट नोट इट डाउन. That's the funny way to remember the numbers with the alphabet. Otherwise, it will be a little bit more hard. V2 R2 22. V2 R2 22. Very good. If you are still noting it down, W enter. If you have done, D enter. Now, analogy में coding decoding based questions करेंगे. That will be a little bit more fun now. If you are still noting it down, W enter. Now I am going to rough it. Do let me know. Okay, you all have done. So let's try the questions now. And don't worry, I will one more time explain the same thing when we will start the coding decoding. Now, next question is a coding decoding type questions. That's why I have explained the basic first. AFHO is related to GBDJ. Similarly, CHFM is related to what? We have the option as GBIM, GBLD, GPLD, IDBH. Question number third. QTU is related to ILM. Similarly, BEF is related to what? We have the option as PSZ, CFH, WZA, UXB. Question number 4. LOPK and IR. Next will be what? We have the option as GT, SH, MN, and FU. Now try to solve these questions on the board. All are not too hard, not too easy, just moderate. If you didn't get the answer, don't worry. Just write down the numbers like 1, 6, 8, EJO, that is 15, 7, 2, 4, EJ 10. Yeah, that is important. It will be easy to look for the pattern in the numbers as compared to the alphabets. Very good. If you are still trying, enter beta. Okay, Ria, keep trying beta. Very good. All we have to do, we have to look for a certain pattern. It may be plus, it may be minus in the numbers. In the alphabet, looking towards the solution, it might be a little bit difficult. So question number 2, the solution would be solved करें बेटा. Very good. First one थोड़ा सा tricky है. Let me tell you what's difficult in this case. 3, 8, 6, and this is 13. Now, the difficult part is they haven't related AFHO with this one. No, they have related these two. Plus 2, 6 plus 2, plus 2 plus 2, minus 2, and minus 2. That's the relation over here. Means CHFM 13, 6, 8, 3 plus 2 plus 2. This is minus 2 and minus 2. Similarly, 7 plus 2 will be what? 9. 9 पे what is the alphabet? I. B plus 2 means 4. 4 पे क्या आता है बेटा? A, B, C, D. D आता है. D plus, sorry, minus 2 means 4 minus 2 means 2. That is B. Again minus 2. 10 minus 2 will be 8. 8 पे कौन सा alphabet आता है बेटा? H. So that's the correct answer. IDBH. Is it clear to everyone now? If it is not clear, and enter. फर्स्ट टू अल्फाबेट में +2 हो रहा था, लास्ट वाले 2 अल्फाबेट्स में -2 हो रहा था. फर्स्ट इज रिलेटेड टू द डायरेक्ट थर्ड. इज इट क्लियर? क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड. चलिए बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड भी ट्राई करते हैं. Now let us try to rough it. Then we will have enough space to explain. Now, first, whenever we have these type of questions, what we will do, we will always give the numbers. Queen कितनी? 17. T 20. U 21. I 9. L 12. हाँ L का रह गया था बेटा. L का क्या था? लॉइन को देखकर 12 बज गए. L का 12 रह गया था. लॉइन को देखकर कितने बज गए बेटा? 12. L का रह गया था L 12. लॉइन को देख के 12 बज गए. 13. B 2 5 6. Now what is the relation? Third question. चलिए बेटा ट्राई करते हैं. 20 21 12 13 5 6. ऐसा कोई है क्या? 16 S 19 Z 26 T F 6 H 8 W Z 26 1 23 X 24 B 2 U 21. We always consider ABCD on a straight circle. After Z always comes A, B, C again. Pari beta, after 5 to 6 minutes, we will try to solve few more questions then. So where we will be getting consecutive numbers like these two? In these 4 pair. Yes, Z have 26. A has 2 numbers as 1 and 27 also. Because we always consider ABCD is on a circle. After Z again A comes. So yes, A के पास we will have 2 positions, that is 1 and 27. So 26 plus में 1 27. Is it clear? Next का logic बताओ बेटा. LOPKIR. These are the opposite. L का O, V का E, love.
FH.
SH.
Reason SH का.
All are opposite.
Opposite
हाँ सब
alphabets.
अपोजिट है बेटा. ये GT रोड है, ये हाई स्कूल है, MN है, मैन है, कुंफू का फू है, मतलब फ्यूल भी है, वो सारे अपोजिट है. तो देन व्हाट्स द रीजन? सारे अपोजिट है बेटा. देखो ये G का T, ग्रेट, हाई स्कूल या हनी सिंह याद कर सकते हो, जो आपको अच्छा लगे बेटा. मैन, फ्यूल, लव, एल का ओ, वी का ई, पीके मूवी थी या कुर्ता पजामा, इंडियन रेलवे या फिर इंटर, सारे ये अपोजिट है इसमें सारे।
सो बिकॉज एल से पहले के आता है और ओ से पहले पी आता है तो वो कनेक्टेड है, कॉन्जिक्यूटिव है।
वेरी गुड। देखो बेटा एक और रीजन भी है यहाँ पे, आप ये भी कह सकते अपोजिट, दे ऑल आर दी अपोजिट अल्फाबेट्स। यस आई एग्री। एल ओ पी के, इनमें रिलेशन कैसे बनेगा वो ढूंढना जरूरी है। 12, ओ पे कितना था, ई जे ओ मीन्स 15, 16, 11 +4 -1, ये भी तो देयर इज वन मोर रिलेशन, एंड आई आर। अब हमें नेक्स्ट फाइंड आउट करना है, तो सेम +4 करो, 9 है, 9 + 4 करो, कितना है बेटा 13, 13 में क्या आता है एम, आर, आर में से -1 जस्ट लाइक द प्रीवियस वन, आर 18 पे आता है। नाउ 18 से 1 लोअर कितना है 17, 17 पे क्या आता है बेटा, सॉरी यहाँ पे भी इन दोनों में एक जैसा पैटर्न नहीं बन रहा बेटा, दूसरे में देखते हैं मुझे, इन दोनों का इन दोनों से भी देख ले, ये वाला यहाँ से वो रिलेशन -4, इसलिए रिलेशन नहीं बैठ रहा। यहाँ पे -4 होगा, 18 -4 कितना है बेटा 14, 14 पे क्या आता है n। अब 14 का भी रिलेशन देख लो बेटा, मैं भूल गया था बताना, n को कैसे याद करेंगे, ये क्या है बेटा रोमन में 4। डोंट वरी बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इसके बाद में एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। n के ऊपर और नीचे इफ आई विल ड्रॉ 2 लाइंस, दैट इज रोमन का 4, 4 पे भी ऑलरेडी नो, 4 पे d आता है, सो दैट इज 14। या फिर ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, बच्चे नोटी कब होते हैं, जब 14 ईयर्स के होते हैं, सिंपल, नोटी 14 ईयर्स के होते हैं, या फिर रोमन में 4 मींस 14। इस वाला सॉल्यूशन क्लियर है बेटा इस वाले क्वेश्चन का। एल का रिलेशन टी से है, ओ का के से है, +4 -4। इज इट क्लियर बेटा? इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर डोंट हेजिटेट एंड एंटर। बिल्कुल, इसके बाद में वी विल एक्सप्लेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 अगेन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या था बेटा, क्यू टी यू वाला था ना, चलिए क्यू टी यू आई एल एम, आई एल एम बी ई एफ, नेक्स्ट विल बी व्हाट, एक सिंपल सा मेथड बेटा, टी यू कॉन्जिक्यूटिव, नेक्स्ट वाला आ गया एल एम ई एफ, नेक्स्ट वाला, ऑल दीज ऑप्शन में से वी हैव द ऑप्शन एज डब्ल्यू जेड ए, जेड के आफ्टर में बाद में क्या आता है बेटा, ए आता है। हाउ, आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन। We always consider in the reasoning that z पे abcd is not and, अगेन z के बाद में a आ जाता है बेटा। इज इट क्लियर बेटा? टी यू एल एम ई एफ, तो z के बाद में क्या आएगा बेटा a। दिस इज द ओनली ऑप्शन वेयर दिस मेथड अप्लाइज। इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? इफ इट इज नॉट क्लियर एंड एंटर बेटा। वेरी गुड। चलिए बेटा, आज की क्लास के लिए इतना ही था बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर से कुछ क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करेंगे, and I will share a PDF that will consider more important. So try to solve it. Thank you everyone. Keep practicing. Try to solve all the questions of the PDF. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You are most welcome, everyone.